So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video for you all. So I'm starting in a bit of a weird place because I wanted to show you my makeup before it started. And I am wearing a top, by the way, but I feel a bit self-conscious right now. But today I'm going to be doing a golden glow makeup tutorial, and it's a collab with the amazing, beautiful, talented Romy Louise, and I'll leave her channel link down below. And I'm just so excited to be doing a collab with her. I can't believe she asked me to do one because she's got like so many subscribers and she's so beautiful and amazing, and I can't. But yeah, we're going to be doing this golden glow tutorial, and it's very glowy obviously and golden, and I'm quite proud of it and I'm quite impressed. But yeah, I'm quite proud of it, like I just said. And if you haven't subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe because I'm trying to get to 5k by the end of the year. And please go leave a like down below. Let's try to get to 100 likes again, and yeah, let's get right into the video. So I'm going to leave my hair out and I'm going to put on my cat ears because I'm cute as anything. Oh, I've already done my eyebrows, as you can tell. Yeah, I'm going to start with priming my eyelids. Decay Naked Skin Concealer, and for this I just go all over my eyes like so. Whoa, I nearly did my eyebrow there. The lightest. This is the lightest shade, and I'm going to go do that on both eyes and then be right back. Okay, so I've actually set and primed my eyelids, so now I'm going to be doing the eyeshadow. So as you could have seen from the intro, I had like obviously it's a golden glowy makeup tutorial, so I'm going to be doing a very golden browny eye makeup look, and the palettes I'm going to be using today are the Huda Beauty Rose Gold and the Revolution Soph Does Nails times Revolution palette. Okay, so I've put my tape on and I think I'm going to start. Hang on, this is poking me in the... I am actually going to start with my Huda Beauty Rose Gold and use the shade Sandalwood. Sigma E40 tapered blending brush. Okay, so I've done that now, and I'm going to need a yellow shade, so I'm going to actually take my 35B as well, and I'm going to be taking the yellow shade in here on my Morphe M321 little. It's really pigmented, and I'm going to bring that through like the middle. That is pigmented. This is what it looks like so far. It's alright, it's not like the best look I've ever done so far. This little mini Morphe brush, and I don't actually know the name of it, but because it hasn't got numbers on it. And now I am actually going to take this orangey look. It's called Cloudberry from the Soph Does Nails palette. Put it on my brush, and I'm going to bring it right in under the yellow. Okay, so I've just done that with the orangey, and I think that I'm going to take a black now. Big brush here because I want to like blend the black, so I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Black Truffle shade. What am I going on about? And yeah, I'm going to take that like a tiny bit because I'm really scared. Nope, that has a bit of purple left on the brush. I'm not going to take that brush. Okay, we're going to use the Spectrum A12. Oh my god, look how disgusting that brush is. The black, like we said, and dab it on the side. That's quite nice. Okay, yeah, that is it so far. And then I'm just going to take my NYX glitter primer and get a brush to put it onto. I've literally got half an hour to finish filming this video, and that is not much time when it comes to doing makeup. Yeah, I'm going to put it on my brush like so, and then I'm going to do like a kind of halo eye with it. And then I'm going to take this gorgeous shade, 24K, and yeah, I'm going to put that on, and then I'm honestly in love with this eyeshadow. I'm going to do it on the other eye and be right back. Okay, so this is what the finished eye makeup looks like. I actually really do like it. So I'm not going to be doing eyeliner though, because you won't be even able to see the eyeliner. But now I'm going to take my primer that I'm using. And because we want our face to be very bright, glowy, and we want it to be golden, we're going to be taking a brightening face primer. The Benefit That Girl brightening face primer, it's a mini one, and it's like comes out pink and it's really good. And I'm going to take a lot of it because we want to glow. So I'm going to take that much probably. Oh god, I forgot to wipe off my eyeshadow. And then my forehead, my nose and my chin. And we are going to rub that. Okay, now after that I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hour and I'm going to be mixing these two shades together to get my perfect shade. So one's in shade Porcelain 015 and one in the shade 12 Vanilla. 12. Oh well, that's what we're doing. And I'm going to be going onto my hand, obviously. One, I've got hardly any left for this one. I'm going to be taking about that much. And then this much of this one, and I'm going to go mix them together and then apply it to my face. Okay, so I've just put my foundation on and I'm loving it. I'm actually finally got the right colour for me. Anyway, the concealer I'm going to be taking is my favourite ever, the Bourjois Radiance Reveal, and I'm going to show. Oh my god, you need to, oh, it smells so nice. Okay, and I put like quite, oh, by the way, I put some black eyeshadow under my eye, like blacky brown. Well, I don't actually do like a whole thing because I like to like dot it now, kind of, like in a way. And you just blend it. I'm going to show you. Like, can you see so far? I'm going to go do that on the other eye and be right back. Okay, I'm going to go take some powder. So I got my Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder. And this is very good. I've gone through a whole one of these and it lasted me months. But because we don't want to use much powder because we are golden glowy, but we don't want to be golden oily. Itchy nose. Okay, so we're going to take a little tiny bit and still bake under my eye because... And I'm going to put my forehead. Okay, and now I'm going to go take my contour, and it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit in light to medium with my Zoeva Face Shape 110 brush. Now, we're going to want a very snatched cheekbones. Yeah, not that snatched though, so we're going to go blend it. No, it won't blend, it won't blend, it won't blend. Yeah, that'll do, that's blended enough, I suppose. That is what my contour looks like. And then I'm gonna leave my nose contour and I'm going to swipe this powder off under my eye. And now it is the blush time, so I'm going to be taking this Bourjois Paris blush in shade 33 Lilas, and I'm going to be taking quite a lot, I suppose, like so, because we want to be golden. And not lastly at all, we're going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit. And as we're doing a golden glowy look, take a shot every time I say golden glowy. We're going to be using the shade Butterscotch, and because we just want that lots of pigmentation, we're going to spray it with this Maridescu Lavender Spray. Who's ready? Hey! Okay, so look at that on the side of my cheek. we're very highlighted. And then I'm going to take a bit more of that and go on my chin, because we need that chin to be glowing to the gods too, and the middle of my forehead. And then of course my nose, and down the middle too. And then in the inner corner. Oh god, that is way too much. Yeah. My cupid's bow. Bit more my forehead, bit more my chin. And then lastly we're going to take the Marabou spray and just glow to the gods of glowing. Okay, now should I do lashes? Yeah, I'm going to do lashes, so I'm going to go put some lashes on and then I'll be right back. Okay, so my face is done, but right now no one knows how bloody self-conscious I feel, but I don't really care. And I'm going to put some highlighter on my chest area, because you know what, we want to be glowing. I am wearing like a proper top, by the way. It's just one of them square tops. I never ever like show my arms or anything, but I thought might as well. I sprayed tons on the brush, and I'm going to go in with that same golden shade from the Anastasia Beverly Hills thing, and then I'm going to put it all over my collarbone. Put some more on my face as well. I honestly, I'm so glad I did this tutorial. I love this eye makeup so much. You know what, we're just gonna put it on with our fingers because we want that full body glow. Honestly, I don't think you realise how glowing we are currently. I feel so weird, like literally. I'm wearing a proper top, by the way. But yeah, this is the finished makeup. I'm going to go show you in the light properly. I just realised I need a lip product, so I'm going to take my MAC lip liner in the shade Well. It's not really that sharp anymore, I need to sharpen it. And then I'm going to take my Barry M Matte Me Up lip paint in the shade Go To and put that on. So because when this dries down, I'm going to obviously put a gloss on because we want to glow, obviously. And the gloss, I only have like a clear gloss. This is the only one I have. This Tiny Bear Cosmetics lip gloss in shade Ice Queen. I'm going to wait for this to dry. We obviously need some more Marabou because, oh. Okay, now we are officially glowing. This is the most I've ever glowed before. And I'm loving my hair, you know. Oh, I just touched my chest now. It's really wet, but that's right. Okay, we're going to be taking the gloss now. This is cute. I do need to invest in a golden gloss, actually. Okay, there we have it. And also lastly, we need to put a bit more highlighter on the Cupid's bow because I feel like I overlined my Cupid's bow. And here we have the finished look. So we're glowing. Eye makeup, lips, my chest area, even though I have my own chest, I don't really care. And this is what the eye makeup looks like. I feel like we're very goldeny, we're very glowy. That is actually the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe to Romy Louise. Like I said, her channel will be down below. And I'm so happy with how this makeup turned out. And yeah, I love you all so much. Bye.